Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change text color in Photoshop. First, go to choose text tool from the toolbar and shortcut T. Here I am writing text. Select all text and go to top menu color option, then click on that color and change the color. If you want another way change color, then go to window menu, choose characters, select all text. You can change other setting, change color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.